Hello everyone! First, let's open the file we will work in. Go to File, Open Scene, select Longboard MB and click Open. Here we already have the models of objects we will work on. This is a good example for you to get used to the program, menus, and tools with which all this can be done. Further, it will become easier for you to work with more complex models like this doggy and so on. But we will proceed with this gradually, so let's start with the longboard. I will show you the mesh and the model itself a little, as well as the degree of detail and complexity of the whole model. For the start, I have a nice example to show you. I'll demonstrate how I've made these elements that we will need for the model. So, let's begin. Holding down Shift, right-click and create a gear. What will I do now?